Hey YouTube, it's Faye, and for today's video, I just want to make a quick announcement about SEMA. So, Woman and Machine is going to be hosting a Tradeswomen Taco Tuesday night at SEMA with our friend Twiggy, who put on an awesome event last year that we just really loved and wanted to sort of do the same thing, but not like, compete with her. So we were like, hey, can we do this together? And it would be great. And she was like, yeah, and it was great. So this Tuesday, well, not this Tuesday, but SEMA Tuesday from 7 to 10 at Pink Taco, we are going to be getting tacos and drinking tequila and hanging out with other women in trades. And we'd love for you to come and join us if you are also a lady that works in the trades and wants to just have a chill, relaxing evening with a bunch of other women. There's gonna be like no sponsors, no business card pushing, none of all the fancy like schmoozing and stress that normally comes with SEMA, which is a lot for an introvert like me. Makes me sort of want to just like run and hide in my hotel room. So this event is kind of like exactly what I would want to do, and hopefully maybe what you would want to do. Just like get tacos, hang out with ladies, drink tequila, and just chill and enjoy each other's company. And then of course you're thinking, wait a second, Faye, I'm not a woman. How do I hang out with you? Okay, well that's awesome too. I will be at the Gtechniq Booth on Tuesday afternoon and Friday afternoon, just hanging out, talking to people, signing autographs if you want that, although it's kind of weird. I don't know who wants my autograph, but if you want my autograph, I'll sign something for you. Yeah, just stuff. And aside from that, I'll just be walking around. I'll be there all week. So let me know in the comments below if you are gonna come to SEMA, and if you are a trades lady who wants to join us, then please stay tuned and please come out. And I hope to meet you and see you. And if you're not a lady and you wanna meet me, there's information down below where I'll be during SEMA and where you can meet me and where I can meet you, because that's rad. I like meeting people. Even though SEMA's scary and there's a lot of people and it's crazy. That's why I don't show up to SEMA before noon, because I have to like take a second to drink my coffee, prepare myself for the crowds, and and then try not to get lost on my way to wherever I'm going by looking at all the cars. It's great. I love SEMA. Okay. Anyways, that's the end of this video. I don't have anything else to say. Tradeswomen Taco Tuesday, Gtechniq, and me at SEMA. Okay, bye.